Welcome again in the PHP Basic course, part 13. Today we will discuss logical operators, or and negation. And this will be the continuum of the if statement and the logical expression at all. Okay, so let's back to our source code. In the previous lesson, we have prepared one conditional statement to check if the name is empty, and if the name is empty, the condition is true, we give the information, please give the name. In other case, which means the name is not empty, we display hello name, and then we display info about the age. Okay. Our program, our web page, our interactive script has some bugs and it's not completed. The validation of data is not completed. Actually, if we give the name and don't give the age, the script will display as follows. So, hello John, your age is nothing, which is ugly. We don't want it. We want to have nice information. So the very useful thing of conditional statement of the if instruction is that we can nest it, those instructions, which means use one if inside the another if instructions. And here we do exactly those things. First of all, if you don't specify the name, the program will display the info, please give the name, and this block of code will not be performed. And we get it from here and create another conditional statement in these blocks of code. What it will be holding, what will be the expression? The expression will be the same like the checking the empty of the checking the if the name is empty, but here we check the age value. So if the age is equal to empty string, display echo, please give the age. We can also put a break tag, and in other condition, in other case, display your age is age. Okay, let's save and check how it works. Okay, so the case when name is given and the age is not given, and then we check the condition, we check the case when name is given and age is given, and now check the another possibility where name is not given and the age is given. What happened? Please give the name and the program stops. Why? Because let's take a look at our nested if conditional statement. If this condition is true, which means name is empty, I give some comments here to easily understand. Name is empty, and we don't check age at all. We do nothing with age. In other case, name is not empty, so we display the hello name and check the age, and here is age is empty, and in another condition, in another case, age is not empty. So these blocks of code could be interpreted, could be processed only if the name is not empty, because we put the condition inside the else block of the previous conditional statement. But what will happen if we take these whole blocks of codes and moved outside the previous conditional statement? Check the results. First of all, name is not given and age is given. Please give the name, your age is 12. Name is given and age is given, John. Okay, and nothing is given, so both info is false. We get the please give name, please give the age. So we get all the info because we check those conditions in the same level. In the previous situation, I was checking the age empty or not empty in case of the name is not empty. So the programmer need to develop, need to think, we need to design how to use the condition, if use condition in condition or condition outside the condition. And everything depends what is your needs, what is the specification of the program that you are developing. If you want to always give all the info, please give name, please give age, please give postcode, please give email, you can use it by using conditional expressions in the same level. But if you want to use a nested construction, which means if inside if, the user will get the response, please give the name and nothing more. And if you give the name but another values won't be given, another values will be empty, then another warning will be displayed, please, 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 and so on. So everything depends on the project, on your needs, your specification. If you want to give all information at once and check all the conditions, you can do it. If you don't want to check all the conditions but the conditions inside conditions, you can use the nested conditional statement. Okay, so if there is another possibility to check value of a name and check the value of age and display the info. Let's assume that our program should display hello, name, your age is, and the value of age only if both values will be given. And in other cases, it should display information, your data is not complete, please complete the data. And to do this, we need the operator, a logical operator. We get two logical operators, which is AND and OR, and how to use it. So now I will clean the code, and only one condition will be here. Please fill all the fields. Hello, name, your age is age. So we want to build a condition that will check if name is empty or age is empty. We want to check both value in one conditional statement. And to do this, we need logical operators. The first logical operators that we use will be OR, which is the logical sum. What means OR? OR means that the whole condition expression will be true if one of those conditions will be true. So if name is empty or age is empty, display info, please fill all the fields. And in other case, name is not empty and age is not empty, name is empty or age is empty. Save and check. Please fill all the fields. We give name John, but we don't give the name please fill all fields. We give age but don't give name, also please fill all the fields. In only one case, when you give both values, you will receive the result which was expected. So this conditional statement is built, contains two conditionals connected with the logical operator OR, which means check this condition. If it's true, the whole is true and go next. But if it's not true, check the another condition. Or will give you true, will give you logical value 1 only if the both values are true. And please, I will show you the PHP manual about the logical operators, PHP logical operators. Type in Google and you will find the operators when the values are true and when false. So if you use OR, true if either A and B condition is true, and is the another logical operators, which gives you true only if both A and B conditions will be true. There is also exclusive OR, there is also negation, true if A is not true, and two alternative and OR. These two are, you can find it in source code, source examples, because PHP gives you a possibility of using and OR, and double ampersand and double pipes. Those two alternatives operators are almost the same. I said almost because there is something like operator precedence, which means the order of processing operators. But this is PHP basics, so we won't be talking about this. Okay, so today we will find the operator, logical operator OR, and in the next lesson we will find another operators, and negation, and how to use it you will find out. Thanks for watching.